Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Biology Explained. Recently, we are hearing a lot about herd immunity. Can herd immunity give us protection against the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2? Is herd immunity a strategic option for eliminating novel coronavirus? So today let's understand what is herd immunity and whether it can be a strategic option to eradicate SARS-CoV-2. So let's start with the definition first. What is herd immunity? Herd immunity is the indirect protection from an infectious disease which occurred when large group of population has become immune to that infection. What does that mean? This means in a population when large number of people become immune to an infectious disease, it will protect the uninfected one from getting the disease. So there is an indirect immunity given to the non-immune people. Basically, what happens when we get a disease, our immune system fight against the disease to eliminate it. While doing so, it keeps a memory of what kind of virus or bacteria has attacked us, so that in the future, if we again get infected by the same virus or bacteria, the immune system can protect us because it has kept a memory of the virus or bacteria. And when this memory is kept, we are immune to that particular virus or bacteria. Let's consider a disease is spreading in a population. From the first person, it will be transmitted to the second one and so on. But now, if someone is immune to that particular disease, then the next person will not get the disease because the disease won't be transmitted. So this person gets a protection because the other person is immune. So this is an indirect method of protection. So when large group of population is immune to a particular disease, they won't transmit the disease. As a result of which, some people who are not immune to that particular disease will get the protection. That is indirect protection. And this is the basic concept of herd immunity. Once a certain number of people are immunized, herd immunity can eliminate a disease from the population. So the question is, what percentage of people needs to be immunized to attain herd immunity? To answer this question, we need to know about R naught. What is R naught? R naught is the basic reproduction number. It means how many people can be infected from one infected person. For example, if R naught is 4, then one infected person can infect 4 other healthy persons, and the chain goes on. Again, if R naught is 2, then one infected person will infect 2 healthy persons, and the chain goes on in this way. For SARS-CoV-2 virus, R naught is found to be between 2 to 3. Therefore, the percentage of people that needs to be immunized in a population can be calculated from the following equation, which is known as herd immunity threshold. And the equation is R naught minus 1 by R naught. So, when R naught is 2, the herd immunity threshold will be as follows. And when R naught is 3, the herd immunity threshold will be 67%. So, 67% of the population needs to be immunized to attain herd immunity. So, the next question is how to get this 67% population immunized. It can be done in two ways. It can be done through natural infection with the help of virus or artificially with the help of vaccine. In the current scenario, there is no vaccine available for SARS-CoV-2 virus. So the only option left is people getting infected by the virus. Do you think getting people infected by the virus is a good strategic option to follow for a huge country like India where more than 133 crore people live? 67% of 133 crore is a huge number, isn't it? If so many people get infected in a small span of time, our medical system will collapse. We will not be able to take care of so many people, so death will rise. The whole economy will collapse and it will be a big disaster. So, herd immunity cannot be a strategic option to eliminate SARS-CoV-2 at this point of time. But when there is vaccine available for the novel coronavirus, then if we can immune 67% of the population with vaccine, then the virus might get eliminated from the population slowly, as herd immunity can act as evolutionary pressure on the virus. So right now, I would suggest that we do not roam about freely but stay at home and stay safe, and we follow social distancing until vaccine is available for the novel coronavirus. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more such video. Thank you.